My grandma once told me that old love doesn't rust. Maybe that's why me and some of my exes still keep in touch. And maybe that's why I still smile when your name comes up. Sometimes I might hit your phone just to see what's up. It's crazy how things change so much. Damn, what happened to us? It was all innocent then. Back when I just had a crush in high school, I used to come and sit at your table at lunch. We keep dancing around the subject. Well, let's get straight to the punch. Sometimes love isn't enough. Sometimes you have to adjust. And there's some things that we just had to discuss. A relationship will never make it very far without trust. And all this fighting got you wondering if it's worth all the fuss. They say the tough get going when the going gets tough. Sometimes you have to dig deep to find that diamond in the rough. And you were so fucking close, but you decided to give up. Sometimes you need a little help just to make it over the hump. How come you were never there for support whenever I needed a crutch? I'm feeling down and I need to get up. Got me all on edge. What if I decided to jump? If I told you I was leaving, would you try to call my bluff? If we was caught up in traffic, would you throw me under the bus?